Hi, I'm Maria, a teacher at Real Equivalent English. Have you ever had problems improving your English vocabulary?
For example, you're in the middle of reading your favorite book and there is a word you don't know that you come across. Or you happen to be in the middle of an engaging conversation but you go blank because you don't know the right words to use. First, read. If you already enjoy reading, that's great. Continue reading. Do lots of reading because the more you're exposed to new words, the better. The second one is creating a vocabulary book. Write 5 to 10 words each day along with its meaning and an example sentence. Third, practice saying those words aloud and use them in your sentence. You can also practice with your family or friends so you don't feel alone. Four, there are a lot of useful websites and apps you can use to improve not only your vocabulary but your memory. For example, Scrabble and an app called Elevate. The fifth one is you need to often use the new words that you created from the list regularly. It is also important to be consistent in practicing them and in wanting to use them, because remember that it is the only way you can improve your vocabulary. If you'd like to learn more, please follow our Instagram and share it to your friends. See you!